Hello and welcome. Myself Yamini Sharma. I am working as lecturer in Sri Maniklal M. Patel Institute of Sciences and Research, which is a constituent college of Kadi Sharva Vishwavidyalaya, Gandhinagar. Today I am discussing theory of organometallic compound, that is a part of syllabus of BSc Inorganic Chemistry semester 5. Let us go to the introduction. A compound is a substance formed when two or more chemical elements are chemically bonded together. The types of bonds holding elements together in a compound can vary. Two common types are covalent bonds and ionic bonds. In mixtures, the substances present are not chemically bonded together. Organometallic compounds are distinguished by the prefix organo. For example, organopalladium compounds. Example of such organometallic compounds include all Gilman reagents, which contain lithium and copper. Tetracarbonyl nickel and ferrocene are example of organometallic compounds containing transition metals. Organometallic chemistry is the study of organometallic compounds. Since many compounds without such bonds are chemically similar, an alternative may be compounds containing metal element bonds of a largely covalent character. Organometallic chemistry combines aspects of inorganic chemistry and organic chemistry both. The first metal complex identified as an organometallic compound was a salt obtained from reaction of ethylene with platinum chloride by William Zayas in 1825. It was not until much later, 1951 to 1952, that the correct structure of Zayas salt. Preparation of ferrocene was reported at about the same time by two research groups, and a sandwich structure was proposed based on ferrocene's physical properties. The sandwich structure was confirmed by X-ray diffraction studies. How do you identify an organometallic compound? A compound is regarded as organometallic if it contains at least one metal carbon bond where the carbon is part of organic group. The term metal in this definition includes all those elements which are less electronegative than carbon. It is also understood that the element to which carbon is bound is more electropositive than carbon in organometallic chemistry. The electronegativity of carbon is 2.5. The electronegativities of selenium, boron, germanium, lithium, beryllium, boron, sodium, magnesium, aluminium, phosphorus, all are lower than that of carbon. Thus, the compounds in which metals or metalloids such as boron, arsenium, etc. are bonded directly to carbon atom are called organometallic compounds. For example, dimethyl beryllium. In dimethyl beryllium, beryllium make direct bond with carbon and its electronegativity is less than 2.5. Organometallic compounds, metal organelles and metal organometallics are known as materials which possesses direct more or less polar bonds between metal and carbon atoms. In addition to the traditional metals, lanthanides, actinides and semi-metals elements such as boron, silicons, arsenic and selenium are considered to form organometallic compounds. For example, organoboron compounds such as triethyl borans. Why are organometallic compounds important? Organometallic compounds provide a source of nucleophilic carbon atoms which can react with electrophilic carbon to form a new carbon-carbon bond. This is a very important for the synthesis of complex molecules from simple starting material. There are many organometallic compounds which are medicinally important. For example, mercurochrome for antiseptic and salvarsan is used against syphilis. Organometallic compounds are widely used both stoichiometrically in research and industrial chemical reactions, as well as in the role of catalysis to increase the rate of such reactions. For example, as in uses of homogeneous catalysis, where target molecules include polymers and pharmaceuticals. Organometallic compounds have also been used as precursors in preparation of nanomaterials and microelectronic materials such as thin films in integrated circuits. Concepts and techniques. As in other areas of chemistry, electron counting is useful for organizing all organometallic chemistry. The 18 electron rule is helpful in predicting the stabilities of metal carbonyls and related compounds. Most organometallic compounds do not, however, follow the 18 electron rule. Chemical bonding and reactivity in organometallic compound is often discussed from the perspective of the isolobal principle. As well as X-ray diffraction, NMR and infrared spectroscopy are common techniques used to determine structure. The dynamic properties of organometallic compound is often probed with variable temperature NMR and chemical kinetics. Classification of organometallic compound. Organometallic compounds can classified on the basis of hapticity, on the basis of periodic table and on the basis of structure. Now let's discuss on the basis of hapticity. The number of carbon atom of an organic ligands and which are directly attached to or closely associated with metal in an organometallic compound is called hapticity of the organic group. The term hapticity has been derived from Greek word haptein, which means to fasten or bind. The hapticities from 1 to 8 have been observed for organic ligand. The hapticity of organic ligand is denoted by eta with appropriate numerical superscript. The old notation of hapticity was H. The organic ligand can be classified on the basis of their hapticity as follows. Monohaptoligand. The organic ligands whose only one carbon atom is directly attached to the metal atom are called monohaptoligand. For example, alkyl, aryl, carbonyl, acyl, allyl, etc. In this example, hapticity of methyl group is 1. Dihaptoligand. The organic ligands whose two carbon atoms are closely associated with the metal atom are called dihaptoligands. Ethylene and other alkenes in this Zeise's salt, hapticity of ethylene is 2. Trihaptoligands. In such ligands, their three carbon atoms are closely associated with the metal atom. Tetrahaptoligands. The organic ligands whose 4 carbon atom is directly attached to the metal atom. Example, cyclobutadiene. In cyclobutadiene, hapticity is 4. Pentahaptoligands. 5 carbon atoms of pentahaptoligands are closely attached with the metal atom. For example, cyclopentadienyl. In ferrocene bis eta 5 cyclopentadienyl iron, hapticity of C5H5 is 5. Hexahaptoligands. 6 carbon atoms of hexahaptoligands are closely associated with the metal atom. For example, benzene. In bis benzene chromium, the hapticity of benzene is 6. Heptaheptoligands. 7 carbon atoms of heptaheptoligands are closely associated with the metal atom. Example C7H7 tropylium cation. Hapticity of tropylium cation is 7. Octaheptoligand. 8 carbon atoms of octaheptoligands are closely associated with the metal atom. Example C8H8 cyclooctatetraene dianion. In uranocene, the hapticity of C8H8 is 8. Next classification is bases of composition. The organometallic compound are of two types on the basis of composition: simple organometallic compound and mixed organometallic compounds. Simple organometallic compounds: the organometallic compounds which have only one carbon radical or hydrogen atom attached to metal atom are called simple organometallic compound. For example, tetramethyl lead. The simple organometallic compounds are further of two types: symmetrical and unsymmetrical. Mixed organometallic compound. The organometallic compounds in which groups other than hydrocarbon radical or hydrogen atom are also directly attached to the metal atom are called mixed organometallic compounds. For example, methyl magnesium bromide. Next classification of organometallic compound is on the basis of position of metal in the periodic table. The organometallic compounds are of two types on the basis of position of the metal in the periodic table: main group organometallic compounds and D and F block organometallic compound. For main group organometallic compounds, the organometallic compounds formed by S block and P block elements are called main group organometallic compounds. For example, methyl lithium, methyl magnesium bromide, tetramethyl lead, etc. For D and F block organometallic compounds, the organometallic compounds formed by D and F block elements are called D and F block organometallic compounds. For example, ferrocene, uranocene, etc. Properties of organometallic compounds. Some common properties of organometallic compounds are relatively low melting points, insolubility in water, solubility in ether and related solvents, toxicity, oxidizability and high reactivity. Some organometallic compounds react very sluggish even towards acids, whereas others react avidly with water, oxygen, carbon dioxide and almost all solvents but the alkanes themselves. Reactivity increases with the increasing polarity of the carbon metal bond, which is determined by electropositivity of the metal. Thank you.